In 2011, a group of people published response criterion, if you will, for clinical trials related to cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, specifically mycosis fungoides and Sézary syndrome. And the key kind of point of that response criterion was that in future, trials should look at different compartments of disease to see what the response rate is, and then there would also be a global overall response, much like you see in other oncology trials. So 3 contemporary trials have utilized this response criterion, 2 of which were utilized for approval of a particular drug in this setting. So the 2 trials that I would look at as contemporary trials utilizing this criterion and illustrating the different response in different compartments would be one, the ALCANZA trial, which utilized Brentuximab Vedotin in patients with mycosis fungoides, not Sézary syndrome, and looked at differential response and criterion and overall response. And the other trial that utilized these criterion is called the MAVORIC trial, which looked at Mogamulizumab in the treatment of both mycosis fungoides and Sézary syndrome. And I think both of these trials really clearly illustrate that not every drug is appropriate in every situation, or at least maybe not appropriate is perhaps not the right word, but we wouldn't expect efficacy in every single situation with every drug. And we need to look more granularly at the patients and at the drugs to pair them more efficaciously.